Okay, we are here in Athens. We came by bus from Megara, and the stop, the main terminal here is Tissio.
Yeah.
We come to visit Monastiraki.
Which is a place with restaurants.
Shopping, we really love shopping.
That's right.
Everywhere there's an archeological site, and the main one is right there, Acropolis. Famous Acropolis of Athens. And here, this one is the library in the back. And the cost for the bus is
€3.20 per person.
yeah, €3.20 per person for the bus.
And from where we were in Megara, it's about an hour ride.
Yeah, it's about an hour to come here.
Very
That's right.
comfortable bus, like a Voyager type of bus.
The only thing from the bus, there was no sign there that it's a bus station. So you have to ask people. They tell you yes, right here it's the bus stop. Otherwise, you don't even know that there is a bus passing by.
That's right. But we highly recommend not to come by car. Traffic and the parking is a nightmare.
Yeah, no car.
Stand here, guys.
Monsieur Christos.
Hello again.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Philippa.
Yes, sir. Place for two. Okay, we decide to stop at this place to eat something. We ordered two gyro pork and a small bottle of water at this place here near the bus terminal. And the price is only €8.30.
30 cents.
Yeah. Find it's good price because you're in Athens in the prime spot.
It's a self-serve, so you pay, you order, and you get a beat. When it's ready, they beat.
Yep. The meal, the food has arrived. It looks delicious. Pork gyro with French fries, tzatziki, tomatoes, red onions. All dressed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.